एक्झॅक्टली कितें कॉन्सेप्ट कितें?
See, when I said ki jenna lucid trail almost was on the verge of, not on the verge of, almost lockdown, we realized that आमच्या बरोबर असे कितके तरी business owners असतले who must have suffered the same thing. So it was time that we think of something ki come up with something which will also help people like me revive the business again. So विचार करून because business was impacted globally. And we thought there has to be something that can actually support or probably help people who are actually losing their business. And the vichar kurun, I said, yeah, let's create an online platform where we can promote this.
Follow Goa News Hub on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.